This video is how to fill out a 1098 form. From the dashboard, you're going to want to click the Forms button over here on the left-hand side. Then you're going to choose your tax year, and then we're going to scroll down here and try to find the 1098 form, which is right here. We're going to click the button, and then we're going to select the lender from the drop-down menu. If you don't have this information pre-filled out, you can always add a lender or edit the lender that you do have by choosing these buttons here. Then you come down here to the borrower, select the borrower. And again, if you don't have any of that information, you can always add or edit the borrower. It will take you to a different screen where you can edit your information. And when you come back, you're going to fill out the appropriate information on the right-hand side of the field, on the right side of the form. And then when you're completed with all of the information, you can click Save and Continue. Or if you have another 1098 to do, you can click Save and Add New 1098. If you have a different form, you can click Save and Add New Form. And that's how you fill out a 1098 form.